Hello guys! So nandito na agad tayo sa next topic ng completing the square, which is the quadratic formula. So yung quadratic formula ay yun siya. X is equals to negative b plus minus square root b squared minus 4ac and all over 2a. Kung ikaw ay nag-advanced study, pakisulat yan kasi mahalaga nakabisado mo yung formula ng quadratic formula. So ngayon ay magsasolve na tayo ng quadratic equations using quadratic formula. So we have your example, x squared minus 4x plus 3 is equals to 0. Pag nagsasolve ng quadratic equations gamit yung quadratic formula, you need to get the values of a, b, and c. So yung a natin dyan, a is equals to 1. B natin is negative 4. C natin is positive 3. Wala nang tinta. So, x is equals to negative parenthesis natin. Positive negative square root. Yung B natin is negative 4 naka-squared minus 4 times yung 1a natin is 1 times c natin is 3 all over 2 times 1. So x is equals to negative, magiging positive 4 plus minus square root negative 4 squared. It will become positive 16. And then negative 4 times 1 is 4 times 3 is 12 all over 2. Kasi 2 times 1 is 2. X is equals to 4 plus minus square root 16 minus 12 is 4 all over 2. So x is equals to 4 plus minus square root of 4 is 2 all over 2. And then separate lang, x is equals to 4, yung positive 2 muna, all over 2. And then sa kabila, x is equals to 4 and then negative naman dito, all over 2. Pag add nyo na, 4 plus 2 is 6 all over 2. Dito naman is x is equals to 4 minus 2 is 2 all over 2. 6 divided by 2, that is 3. So dito na, ito na yung sagot. Diyan. Dito naman, 2 divided by 2, that is 1. Next example, x squared plus 7x plus 12 is equals to 0. Ang kailangan mo munang gawin is to get the values of a, b, and c. So yung a natin dyan, that is 1. B natin is 7. While yung c, ito, 12. Okay? And then going back to the formula, yung pinakita ko sa kanina, substitute nyo lang to. Okay? So we have x is equals to negative 7 plus minus square root. B natin is 7 squared minus 4 times 1 times 12 all over 2 times 1. So x is equals to negative 7 plus minus square root 7 squared, that is 49, and negative 4 times 1 is negative 4, and negative 4 times 12, that is negative 48, negative 48 yan. All over 2 times 1 is 2. So x is equals to negative 7 plus minus 49 minus 48, that is 1 all over 2. Square root ng 1, that is 1 all over 2. Pag separate lang natin, so we have x is equals to 7. Yung positive 1 muna. Positive 1 all over 2. Sa kabila naman yung negative 1 na. So, that is negative 1 all over 2. So, x is equals to 7 plus 1, that is 8 all over 2. And dito naman, x is equals to 7 minus 1, that is 6 all over 2. So, x is equals to 8 divided by 2. That is 4. Ayan na yung sagot dito. Dito sa kabila, 6 divided by 2, that is 3. Ayan na yung sagot dyan. So, ganyan lang kadali mag-solve ng quadratic equations using quadratic formula. Ulitin ko, pag nagsosolve ng quadratic formula, get the values of A, B, and C. Tsaka i-substitute nyo dun sa formula na pinakita ko, which is x is equals to negative B plus minus square root B squared minus 4AC all over 2A. That's it. Thank you.